Starting a business with small capital can be a smart way to test a concept without major financial risk. Here are key steps to consider. Focus on businesses that have minimal startup costs, like freelance services, online stores, or consulting. Examples include freelance services, reselling products online, or tutoring in a skill you're good at. Avoid trying to scale too quickly. Start with one or two services and grow as demand increases. Use low-cost tools and free resources. E-commerce platforms like Etsy or Amazon allow selling products with minimal setup. Freelance websites connect you with clients. Make a budget and prioritize essentials like materials or licenses over extras like office space. Think about your skills with business potential and use your network for initial customers or partnerships. Prioritize products that generate revenue quickly, avoiding tying up funds in inventory with options like drop shipping. Consider ideas like social media management, handmade crafts, freelance writing, digital products, or a drop shipping store.